Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my first video where I actually talk, and this is my first motovlog. So today we are located near some tech store because I had to buy a new microphone. My old microphone died on the way here, and I talked maybe 25 minutes or nothing. And everything is wasted now, but yeah, I don't care. I love to talk, so I'll talk again. And the main reason why I record this video is because actually, me and my girlfriend broke up, so she is moving back to her own city, and I got some urge to buy her flowers. So let's go and buy her flowers. I hope you can hear my motorcycle as well. Actually, the main idea that I was thinking is to go and buy some flowers from old lady that sells them near the road. She's selling flowers past 5 years. I kept seeing her every morning and every afternoon when I was going and coming back from school. And I visited the place where she usually sells flowers, and she's not there now. Still have urge to buy flowers. I had to go here, maybe 20 miles or 25 kilometers away to buy new microphone, start recording again, and go to a flower shop because I still want to buy flowers for her. I bought her something else also, but that's not on me now. That's a gift for another day. I bought it many days ago, but I didn't have a chance to give her. And some of you can say that I am fucking pathetic or something like that. But no, actually, the important story about that is we used to live a lot together, like close to 3 years. Yeah, close to 3 years. And yeah, we took our ways. We separated because of some things that, you don't need to know that. But we are still in love. And even she's back to her own city. Yeah, we still got feelings for each other. And this is why I talk about this in my first video, because there is 100% chance that she's not going to see this video ever. So yeah, I'd like to have it somewhere, but not on my main channel where I talk Serbian language, because she's going to see that, immediately when I publish it. So this is going to be my exhaust valve, where I'm going to talk a lot of stuff. If you don't like motorcycles and guy who talks a lot, you can leave the video right now. I don't care. This is me doing this for fun. I ride my bike every day, and I talk to myself every day. So why not share that on YouTube? Maybe we can find more people interested in the same things like I am. Also, I forgot to mention, this is my Ninja 636 and this is my bike for past year. It will be a year in a month, and I already crashed it last year. After 3 months of owning it, I had a terrible accident, which is not my fault. The other car driver, it was his fault, but I broke my motorcycle all the way. I broke my collarbone and many little things, but I'm okay now. Bike is fixed. The only thing is that insurance didn't cover like a lot, so I had to pay with my own money, even if it's not my fault. But yeah, who cares? We love bikes. We are going to ride bikes, and yeah, now I'm just smarter after everything that happened. I gained a lot of more information on how to act in traffic, especially in my own city, because this is not the usual USA Los Angeles traffic where you have 4 lanes or you have double lanes. This is actually, and you can see what I'm talking about. This is actually one-sided lane here downtown in Herceg-Novi, Montenegro. This is the widest street that you have in Herceg-Novi. Usually, look at this, what the fuck, man. I know there is a crosswalk, but not there. Usually our streets are not wide like this, they are a lot narrower, and you have 2 traffic lanes that's on other side, upside, but you have downtown road which leads just one route, and that's the route we are taking now. I have to open my visor because I don't have pin lock on me and it's getting foggy inside, so I hope you can hear me decent at all. And I'll try to fix everything later on when I edit this video, but I can guarantee you this is going to be well-sounding video because I need to find a mic that will work on my camera. I have Insta360 AcePro, first model, not second. And that's the problem. First model doesn't support a lot of mics. As you may know, AcePro 2 supports like every mic model. I can buy mic, DJI mic mini, and it works, I think, kind of decent without transmitter. It can connect on Bluetooth, but if you connect on Bluetooth, you have like less good quality than you will have when you use transmitter. And why I can't use transmitter? Guess what? I can't find adapter for this camera because this camera needs an adapter to work on 3.5mm jack for microphones. So now I'm recording audio on my phone with some cheap lavalier microphone, first one I could find. And I'm recording video with my AcePro. And later on I have to do a post-production. Oh, there is some traffic jam. Probably bus. Yeah, bus is up ahead. So we have to go slow because guess what? This is a fucking big bike and I can't go around them because we don't have wide streets. Not quite impressive. And yeah, also I'd like to say that my bike is 99% fixed and everything is done. The only thing left is to buy different screws for fairings because those ones are fucked up, so I need to buy new ones. I mean, they are not fucked up, they just look ugly because we screw and unscrew them a lot of times. So I want to buy new set of new ones, and I hope the bike will look great later on. Also, I have green grips, green levers, green everything now. I made fairings all green, like it comes on a ZX6, not 636. And a lot of people hated me on that because 636 is famous on black part down there on the fairings. But I didn't give a fuck. I like it all green because it's Kawasaki, so it will stay like this until it's in my ownership. And also, we are close to a flower store. There's a flower store where I bought maybe once last time. And they are pretty good. They are expensive as fuck because they are downtown. But it will make her happy at least. A little bit because she's living. I'm happy too, so. And yeah, I need to say that I'm not usually a flower guy. I buy flowers, when there is some occasions, and I'm that kind of guy who buys flowers when there is occasion. I don't buy flowers when there is no occasions because I don't know why. That's the way I learned. So yeah, let's go buy some flowers then. Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but this is fucking massive. I don't know how am I going to call her place now because I need to go like 15 kilometers. It was some quite polite lady inside, so I like when people are polite like this. And I was thinking maybe sticking it behind. That's probably the best way. I mean, it is going to break a little bit, but not that much. So, wish me luck, guys. I don't know if you can see anything because of this, but eventually that's the only place where I can place it now. And it's shaking a lot. So, I hope it can stay intact for at least half the road so I can move it somewhere. But it doesn't look safe at all, man. This is the only disadvantage of having a sport bike. You can't carry anything with you. Only something that can fit inside your pockets, and you know, flowers are not something that can fit inside your pockets. And yeah, because of this, I can go faster. It will just lose its shape. And lady tried her best to help me place it somewhere, because she'd like to for them to stay in same shapes, in same shape she made them. But that's, you know, a hard mission to pass. So I guess this is the only way I can try. It looks hilarious. Also, they're hilarious for people looking around. And there is some guy going straight to my ass. We have beautiful downtown also. You can see a lot of history things. And flowers are intact as for now. And I lied, there is not 15 kilometers, there is maybe 7.5 or something like that you will see. And I have to put my visor half down because the wind is fucking blowing my eyes. And I wear contact lenses, so if I talk a lot of bullshit, but I'm not used to motovlogs and I don't know what to talk about, so I'll talk a lot of bullshit. And if you don't like me talking bullshit, you can skip video or leave the video. I don't care. I'm doing this for fun, as I already said before. This is just making me feel better. And if my English is not that good, sorry. English is not my main language. Maybe I said that before. My main language is Montenegrin, Serbian, Croatian, how the fuck ever you want to call that. I'm from Balkans, Montenegro. Herceg-Novi is the city where I live. So yeah, Serbian is my main language. That's why my English doesn't sound quite impressive, like some of you may know and may hear. And you can see hair. Some words I don't know how to spell them correctly. In my head, they sound amazing, but you know, when I say them, that's not impressive that much. I knew how to speak English a lot better when I was younger because I spoke English like every single day. That's why I played a lot of video games. I played CSGO. We even played CSGO for money. I was legendary grandmaster and we played a lot of Face It and PV Pro. It was an pretty popular site back days when I played. Now in CS2 I'm maybe 20k points, but I'm not playing it anymore. I don't have time because I'm trying to run my own business in my free time. And why in my free time? Because I should work 9 to 5. It's not actually 9 to 5, it's 8 till 4, but yeah, that's the kind of job that people call 9 to 5. I like my job. I like what I do. I have, you know, quite an impressive salary there. And in my free time, I try to make my business pop up. So YouTube is just a place where I exhaust everything from me. We need to go this little road here. Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy. Fucking dumbass. I don't know why people like this can drive taxi or cab or Uber or anything, man. I have my turn signal on. You can see my turn signal, but you are not looking at me, you are looking at your fucking phone. And I hold them like this. Crazy, man. Oh, what the fuck I'm doing? I swear. So let's go. Watch the shifting DX6R 2006, and it works well. You know, that's not something everybody can say on these machines because they are famous on bad shifters, bad transmissions, something like that, yeah, bad transmissions. Same as Suzuki is known for bad brakes back in days. But I can agree that Kawasaki doesn't have good brakes either. In this year, it was Tokiko brakes, and with new brake pads, new fluids, new everything, it still brakes like shit. And I get scared to brake with this brake, trust me. When I need to brake out, I'm scared how that's going to end up because it breaks like piece of shit. Even with everything new on my bike, breaks like shit. So guys, we are close. Maybe we are a minute away. Look at this road, man. We are a minute away. And of course, I'm not going to show you her reaction. I don't want to show her to you. This will be enough for me to see. I will just let you know. Did she like them and did she hop where? Let's go, guys. She feels better now, which means I feel better too. Good thing I didn't break anything on my bike, so that's great. She likes the flowers. That's also great. The lady that sold me flowers was very polite. I also tipped her, I think well, so she can take coffee for herself or something. I don't know. I like polite people. And yeah, that's all. We are at stop sign. I need to go. I need to go home now because I'm freezing. It's cold as fuck, man. It's like 5 Celsius. I don't know how much is that in degrees, but 5 Celsius is not great to ride your bike on, especially when you have Pirelli Diavolo Rosso 3 that I have right now on my bike. Those tires are not meant to be driven on cold days. Do you know why? Because they're slippery. Yeah, also, please let me know down in the comments what else do you want to see on my channel, and if you like this microphone or not. Do I need to change it to a better one so I can spend more money? Or this one is, I mean, okay, at least for now.